Dorough music. 2chainz. Yo got it. Bro.
Yeah. Now it's Dorough music.
Boy, quit talking about stunning, y'all we real G's ball hard all week 365, 52 weeks. And I can teach you how to do it. I'm about to preach. Gon' let me preach. I'm about to preach. Gon' let me preach.
DJ
Will. Y'all be acting cool. Keyword acting. Me, I'm super fly and caked up. I'm everything you lacking. I can tell by your style. Use a rookie, hang it up or pay attention. I can help you get your pussy game up. Say, watch these hoes. Some gone off the deep end. Especially all the ones that hit the club every weekend. We ball 7 days a week. They do it on the weekend. We ball and they can't, so they mad cause we can. You gotta play the game, don't let the game play you. Since it's a lot of niggas fake, you might as well stay true. It's funny how they acting like they ballin' out in public, when clearly we can tell that they just ballin' on a budget. With no street money and no Wells Fargo. Trying to make it rain, but you can't even pay your car note. Broke so your girl left you hanging, now your heart broke. Classes in session, church style, I'm about to preach.
Gon' let me preach. I'm about to preach.
It's funny cause we just be laughing at you niggas.
Gon' let me
DJ Rockstar.
24 hours, 7 days a week. On 24 inches, 7 different freaks. They call me 2chainz, I got 7 different crosses. I make plays like 7 Randy Mosses. From the trap, I'm about to kill him with this rap shit. I just call her boo, she call me baby like big actress. I got the pack, I whip the work and make it backflip. Put her on the back and then I stick her. Cactus, Louis poster child, nigga I'm supposed to smile. Call me titty boy, that mean I'm spoiled and the only child. Done did it cause I did it like I done do. Went to trial smelling like blunts in the courtroom. Thug style, Tupac in my iPod. Just bought a gun, that bitch came with a tripod. Brat to my competition. I don't need the aim, nigga, I ain't missing.
preach. Gon' let me preach. I'm about to preach.
I just
Gon' let me preach. I'm about to preach.
Hey man, I just bought a
DJ Will.
Bad bitches like them, but them haters can't stand them. 20 floors up, condo in Atlanta. All white dress code, plus I keep a hammer. Shout out to the boots, keep your head up in the slammer. I'm praying for you, dog. It ain't nothing you can't handle. Preach. Big country bitch from Alabama. Light skin, low haircut, like Amber Rose. All I pop when I'm in the club. Hoes, we throw guap when we in the club. They like preach to them broke ass niggas. I'm just saying, you ain't tipping, get the fuck out the club. Amen. Preach. These niggas stressing, they need a blessing. On BS1's clearing this bitch, looking for wrestling. In my old school colors, and that bitch so interesting. Got my shirt off, had cock to the back, hand on my Smith & Wesson holler.
Preach. Gon' let me preach. I'm about to preach. Gon' let me preach. I'm about to preach.